1,024 ads at once. That's how many ads this brand is running right now as I checked. HiSmile. Let's get started on what they are doing right with their landing page and crazy with their ads. Number one, if you see they're upfront mentioning the product name in the top instead of in the bottom, which is usually mentioned in the norm. And also they're mentioning the price, which is a great motivator because they've got to save $25.60, which is great because $25 is a huge deal on a product like this, which is basically, or they might have tested the percent off also. I think the percent off comes to close to 48-45%, and hence they should be able to get it started. They should be testing with the 48-45% also. But then the main thing they are doing right with the images, they are clearly saying 40% off upfront instead of mentioning anything. They are mentioning it upfront in the image. They have ingrained it instead of not having a tag or something like this. They have mentioned it in the image itself. And the kind of videos which they have is product in use. The second image, as you see it right here, the product is in use and people are able to check to it, which is great in terms of how the product should be used and how people can know it exactly what's going on. But another thing they are doing right is mentioning the core objections or the value propositions of the product upfront using icons just below the image, because that is where the most visitors will be viewing. Just below the image is a great real estate as you capture the most attention over here. As you scroll down, the number of percentage of visitors who view that section decreases drastically. Then they have got a very great what to include upsell in the upfront, add to cart, sticky add to cart, as you see when I scroll. Then a UGC, which is great in terms of, because this is a product which is very commoditized. They have a UGC and product in use. As you see right here, they have got a good first time offer, which is great. Once again, UGC is great in terms of it. They are showing product in use over here. Next, photography and upsell. The photography used here is is drawing complete attention to the product itself, and the merchandising done here, which is also great. Next, upsell is great. They are treating the objection via icons, and the last time I checked, they also had a pretty big limited stock and 180 people looking at the product thing just below the add to cart. So the right now which you are saying bundle and save 40% off, I think they are testing between two things. But they had here limited stock availability and 180 people looking at the product right now, which is great motivator that okay, people are trusting it. See, along with me 180 other people are looking at it, so this product might work. That's what visitors will think. So hope you found it valuable. Thank you.